Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present you a very yummy orange juice, homemade orange juice with the hand squeezed orange. This is the cut orange and I am going to squeeze this in the squeezer and you can just listen what I am doing. This is an extraction. It is nothing new to you all, but even then the result is we are going to get the extraction in a perfect way without any wastage and in a constant way. Okay. Very particular that you don't want to add sugar, you can skip it. Without sugar even it's very tasty and it will also be healthy. It depends upon the requirement of the user. See, I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar with it and mix it. It need not be exactly 1 tablespoon. You can even add according to your taste and requirement, and this will give a more taste because depending upon the quantity you can add sugar.
This is the pulp, sugar and the juice all mixed together in one bowl, and now we will add the water.
Now I am adding 2 cups of water to it. You may add according to your consistency of the juice content and the pulp content. This is exactly 2 cups full of water is mixed, and now I am stirring it.
So, a side note, if you don't want pulp in your juice, that's fine. Everyone has a different taste, but pulp is actually very important in this juice because pulp contains the vitamin C, so which is very good for your body, which you will need. So it will be more healthier if you add the pulp, but it's up to you. Now we have our amazing orange juice ready. 5 cups of juice right here, and we made this all with this squeezer. Thanks to this squeezer, this juice came out amazing. If you haven't subscribed to Ramni Creations yet, please subscribe, like, share and comment down below. Thank you. This, you're going to need 2 mangoes that I have here and sugar as desired. And yeah, so the materials you will need is a blender that I've shown you here, a glass dish to put your ice cream in, you will need a scraper to peel the mango skin, you will need a spoon, and you will also need some aluminum foil to wrap the dish, and then you will also obviously need a freezer so that you can freeze your ice cream. So you're going to want to wash the mangoes thoroughly well to make sure there's nothing on them, and you just want to let it kind of soak in the water, so it'll help it. So our mangoes are washed here, and we're gonna now start scraping. So guys, we've peeled the mangoes here, so there's no skin in it, because when you use the skin, the thick skin peels are in it, in the ice cream, and that taste doesn't give the best flavor to the ice cream, so it's good if you do it without the peels. So we've peeled it here, and now we're going to, oh, I forgot to mention, you will also need a knife to slice the mangoes. So we're going to slice the mangoes and then put them into the blender. The sliced mango here, sliced into small pieces, so we can put them into the blender, and yeah. Side note, in your ice cream, if you feel like the mango is already pretty sweet itself, then you don't need to add sugar. But in our case, we're gonna be adding sugar, and we are also adding cardamom to give it extra flavor. So, but that's up to you. If you want to add cardamom, you can do that. We are gonna add cardamom, so yeah. After I think like around a day or 2, this is how our mango ice cream looks, and we can just scoop it up and eat it.